Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling ingredients and warming the liquid. This prevents curdling and speeds thickening. Crack 2 large eggs and choose whether to use whole eggs or just yolks depending on richness desired. Whisk eggs gently until uniform, then slowly bring 1 cup milk or cream and 1/4 cup sugar to warm. Do not boil. Once warm, temper the eggs by adding a few spoonfuls of hot liquid to the eggs while whisking, then return the egg mixture to the pan gradually. You must focus now. Cook the tempered mixture over low heat while stirring continuously to distribute heat and avoid scrambled bits. Make sure to scrape the pan bottom and sides. Once the mixture reaches about 75-82 degrees C and it thickly coats the back of a spoon, it's done. Immediately remove from heat and stir in a small knob of butter or vanilla for sheen and flavor. Once done, pass the cream through a fine sieve to remove any cooked particles and cool quickly to stop cooking. You finish by cooling and storing the cream properly so texture and safety are preserved. Transfer to a shallow container and press plastic wrap onto the surface to prevent a skin forming. Cool to room temperature, then refrigerate. Use within 2-4 days, and if you need it warm again, reheat slowly while whisking. If the cream curdles, don't panic. Strain out solids, whisk in a little warm milk or cream, or briefly blend to smooth. Make sure next time to temper more gradually and keep heat lower.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.